talk about getting a mortgage and the importance of having homeowners insurance when you get your home refinanced, or if you have an existing mortgage with no homeowners insurance, or if you're buying a new property or looking to refinance. The importance of having homeowners insurance, on your home. You have to have it to protect your investment. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection. We do this each and every Tuesday right here at 88.1. I want to thank the listeners that came in last week and purchased home, auto, and life insurance. I do appreciate your continued support. We will not be broadcasting this Friday because we'll be off. Yay! We'll be off, but we will return the following Friday for another edition of Your Insurance Connection. We like to broadcast every other Friday. However, we're on the air every Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here at home of the People Station, 88.1. Yeah, we got a great show for you today. Sheila, good morning, and thank you for joining me today. I do appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's talk about your business. Let's introduce yourself to our listening audience and tell them what you do, and we'll go from there. Go ahead.
Well, my name is Sheila Smith. I am the Vice President of Operations for ELucid Lending. And what we do is we're located here in Las Vegas, and we specialize in mortgage lending.
Okay, so you specialize in mortgage lending. That's good. So, and how long have you been a mortgage lender?
I've been doing this forever. My father has been in the business, so this is the only industry I've ever been in. But technically, I've been doing this for about 15 years.
Oh, okay, 15. So a lot of experience.
Absolutely.
So when a person, the importance of having homeowners insurance, you cannot close the deal without a homeowner's insurance, correct?
You're absolutely correct.
So I understand there's a lot of people out there that don't quite understand the importance of having homeowners insurance. It is part of the escrow. It is already built in. That's not a separate fee they have to pay, because what we do on our end, we bill your escrow. We bill your escrow. Is that how your company operates as well?
You're absolutely correct. What we do is, and when people sign their note, no matter if it is for a refinance or if it's for a brand new home, you are required to have homeowners insurance for the lifetime of the loan. So it is extremely important, and if you do not have homeowners insurance and your lender finds out, they will go ahead and issue a policy for you, which is extremely high.
And why is that? Because that really, well, to my understanding is they don't really care. They just open the phone book and find a lender, find an insurance company, and no matter what the cost is, they're added right into the loan.
Well, it's extremely important because, one, your entire home needs to be covered in the event something happens. It could be a fire. If you're in a flood zone, you can have a flood that happens. But basically, it is required as a protection in the event that something does occur. So it is important to have homeowners insurance, as well as find a good homeowner insurance policy that protects everything that you need to be protected in your home.
And that's where I come in.
Absolutely.
Because we at Your Insurance Connection, we do offer homeowners insurance, and this is what happens. This is the procedure when you refinance or you're purchasing a new property. When you purchase a new property, it is required for you to have homeowners insurance. You cannot close a loan without homeowners insurance. And a lot of lenders will contact us, and they'll send over the evidence of insurance requirements, and we'll send the insurance back, the binder back to you, and we close the loan. You close the loan that way. That's the only way you can close your loan. Now, in my career, I've done a lot of those over time. People have to understand when the companies close on a loan and they sell the mortgage, everything transfers over when the mortgage is sold. Isn't that accurate?
That's correct. Everything is transferred, and that's stuff that happens in the back end from the lender. If something needs to be corrected or a loan number needs to be adjusted, what they'll do is they'll contact the insurance company direct, and they'll leave the customer out of it.
I see. So if you have any questions, concerns, my name is Donald Marquez. My phone number is 702-236-2624. Veronica's standing by to take your name and number at Your Insurance Connection. We offer home, auto, and life insurance. We represent multiple auto insurance companies, multiple life insurance companies, and just check us out. When you want to compare rates with your auto, if you need homeowners insurance, and I find some of you that own your home do not have any homeowners insurance at all because you own your property. It is an expensive investment to lose by way of fire. There's no way to replace it. Get yourself some homeowners insurance. Contact us at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. And the great news is when we send over the evidence of homeowners insurance to the lender, there's no cost to you because it's included in your closing costs and your estimate. And sometimes they're what we call estimated closing costs. And the homeowners insurance is also included.
You're absolutely right. We already receive the quote from the insurance provider, which would be yourself. So we know exactly how much the entire policy will be. And most customers, what they prefer to do is they have the insurance included in their monthly mortgage payment every single month. So when it does come time the next year for your homeowner's insurance to become due, you've already been paying it every single month included in your mortgage payment, so therefore you don't have to write out a check once it's time to renew the policy. The lender goes ahead and they send the actual funds directly to the insurance company to go ahead and start the policy over again.
When can a person pay their own escrow separated from their mortgage? Because of course you have principal and interest, and also you have the taxes and insurance. When can a person say, you know what, I don't want to pay my escrow account anymore through my mortgage payment? I really just pay a separate one payment a year.
So what most lenders require is that you have at least 20% of equity in your home before you decide that you would prefer to pay your mortgage, your homeowner's insurance separately and on your own. A lot of people just like to go ahead and include their homeowner's insurance policy along with their taxes and their monthly payments so that they do not have to worry about it for the following year. They know it's already done. They've basically had a reserve account that covers that. But if you do prefer to pay your insurance on your own, you want to make sure that you at least have 20% of equity in your home. A lot of lenders, I know we are one of them, if you do decide to have insurance including your monthly mortgage payment, most of the time you're taking advantage of a lower interest rate as well.
No, that's great. That's great news. And also, there is mortgage insurance. That way, if you default on the loan, the mortgage insurance will pay the mortgage off. Could you talk about that a little bit for our customers?
Yes. So mortgage insurance is mandatory for people who have less than 20% of equity in their home. It's mandatory, it's required. If you have an FHA loan currently, 9 times out of 10, you have mortgage insurance or a PMI. Same thing if you purchased your property and you didn't put more than 20% down, most likely you have mortgage insurance as well. Right now, with how the economy is doing and the home values increasing, it's a really good time for people to take a look to see if that is something that they can actually get rid of right now.
Okay, and how do they get in touch with you to discuss this, getting rid of the mortgage insurance on their mortgage?
Yes, you guys can please give me a call at 877-759-7606. Once again, it's 877-759-7606, and we have people at the office who would absolutely for free take a look at your value of your home to see if you could potentially qualify to get rid of your mortgage insurance.
That's great information, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that, because what I find in the valley is the equity in the houses are going up so fast, just like you said, and a lot of people just get used to paying that mortgage month to month without investigating. When I say, I'm sad, it costs me this much more money a month, it fits in my budget, and they don't realize they can save money by getting rid of that mortgage insurance, because mortgage insurance is kind of pricey. Because you use it, don't they use a percentage off your mortgage?
It's a percentage. Your mortgage insurance, most of the time, if it's a conventional loan that you're in, it goes off your credit score and it goes off of how much equity you have in your home.
Interesting.
So a lot of things could have changed from when you initially purchased your home. If you've been making your payments on time, sure, your credit score has been going up. Mm-hmm. If you've been living in your home, and again, the way the economy is right now, it's a really good time to take a look to see if mortgage insurance is even required on your home, and if it's something that you can cancel and get rid of.
And that can save you some money. This is what we do at Your Insurance Connection. We teach people how to save money right here. Your Insurance Connection, always a good show to listen to. Tell your friends about this show because we try to help you save money. This is my give back to the community. My name is Donald Marquez. If you're just tuning in, this is Your Insurance Connection, and we're talking to Sheila Smith, and she is a mortgage lender. And a way to save money on your mortgage is get rid of your mortgage insurance, or just refinance your loan altogether. If you have a first and second mortgage and you want to combine the two together to reduce the cost of your mortgage payment, and maybe you want to pull a few dollars out for the holidays, this is the way to do it. Sheila, how can they contact you one more time?
My number is 877-759-7606. We're located here in Las Vegas, and we would be more than happy to help and just take a look and see how we can save you money. You could get rid of your mortgage insurance. By getting rid of your mortgage insurance, just like Donald said, you might want to go ahead and pull cash out to consolidate some debt or to pay off tuition, different things like that. So you're absolutely right.
All right. Your Insurance Connection, I tell you, we connected right here at Your Insurance Connection. Listen, the holidays is upon us. People are having turkey, the ham, and all this good food, and we want your families to be protected with life insurance. That is so important right now during the holiday period. To get together, talk to your family members when people are coming in from out of town. Ask your grandparents, your parents about life insurance. Also, we're talking about mortgages and loans and homeowners insurance, all that ties together. When you do close on a home, just be very careful about purchasing homeowner protection, life insurance. A lot of these companies will bombard you with all this information in the mail. All this information in the mail are getting mortgage protection. Mortgage protection is different from what we're talking about. Mortgage protection is usually a 20-year term decreasing life insurance policy that decreases over time. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned in to Your Insurance Connection. My contact phone number is 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. My location is located right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm on the 8th floor, and I work by appointment only. 702-236-2624. Yes, when you purchase a mortgage or you get in your home, you're all excited, and all of a sudden you get this information in the mail and want you to purchase this mortgage protection insurance. It is a decreasing term insurance policy. You do have to qualify. It is a life insurance policy. It is a life insurance policy. However, as the mortgage goes down, so does the face amount of the life insurance benefit. We don't offer those at Your Insurance Connection. We offer your life insurance policy where the face amount stays the same and also the premium stays the same. Give us a call, 702-236-2624. And stop delaying this. Now is the holidays. You know what? Life insurance is a gift of love. It is a gift of love. You can tell your loved ones, for Christmas, get me a life insurance policy. I said that is a beautiful life insurance. Life insurance is a beautiful Christmas gift. It really is, because it's an automatic savings account, right? It protects our family from going into financial debt. Okay, it protects our family. 702-236-2624. Remember that phone number, because it's important right now. I know it's the holidays. Everybody's rushing around taking care of their business. But if your grandparents, your parents don't have any life insurance, and even we're finding out today, even young adults need life insurance. Things are happening so fast in our society, our community. Just look at the news, and it's just tragic incidents happening all the time. And a lot of families don't have any life insurance, and it hits home. Sometimes it hits really close, because my clients, sometimes we're friends, my clients, and I feel connected with my clients. And to receive a phone call, which I'm so happy that I did sell them life insurance, but I'm sad to hear that they lost a loved one. And I'm so glad they purchased a life insurance policy, because it does protect their loved ones for final expense. I want to thank the listeners again for tuning in every single week right here at 88.1. I want to thank also KCEP and staff and management, and also our Facebook listeners. We have Facebook out there. And Frank, how you doing today, Frank? You with us today? I know you're over there videoing and taking care of business on Facebook. Frank is our production manager. He takes care of all the production, Facebook, posting, and Frank also he pulls questions from Facebook. So what do we have today from our Facebook audience?
We have a couple of questions. One is based off of an insurance about renter's insurance.
Renter's
Question
insurance.
about renter's insurance, but they want to know because they file a lot of. They want to know about their rate increase because of them filing or making a claim about every little thing that goes wrong. Will it,
Every little thing.
will it affect their premium or?
Well, let me say this. On television, I watched television this weekend. Oh, by the way, if you watched the football game last night, what a football game Monday night. That was the best Monday night. I mean, that was the best football game I ever watched in my life. And congratulations to the Rams, but I was really rooting for the Chiefs. Wow, what a football game. It was a score like a basketball game. However, I'm watching television this weekend, and I see a lot of insurance companies advertising buy my insurance, and they're always talking about the claims. They're always, you're covered. The frequency of filing a lot of claims is this. They will non-renew you sooner or later. These companies will non-renew you. You will be shopping for not only renter's insurance, but you also will be shopping for homeowner's insurance as well. So I know you see a lot of, hey, we got you covered. No matter what happens, we got you covered. That's true. They do have you covered. But when they look at the frequency of filing a lot of claims over your period, when it comes up for your renewal, this is why they have renewals. They will non-renew you if they see a lot of frequency in claims. You have to understand, you put a lot less in it than a lot of times the insurance companies will pay out. That's why they prefer you to have $1,000 deductible on your homeowner's insurance and also on your renter's insurance. That way you have to absorb the cost. So if the claim is less than $1,000, you can't even file a claim because you're responsible for the first $1,000. Anything else on Facebook?
Yeah, this one person wants to know what is, in your opinion, what's the biggest difference between a whole life policy and a term policy?
A whole life policy is a small policy for final expense. Whole life usually is up to $35,000. We can get you a $35,000 whole life policy. There's no health examination. There's only 9 health questions. We can get it done in one day. A lot of people walk out of my office, even if they have diabetes, we can get you final expense. Meaning you have insurance day one. There's no 2-year wait period. The way to find out is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Give us a call. Now, term insurance is a little different. It is for a specific amount of time. 20-year, 25 years sometimes. These companies offer 25-year, but it's either 20 or 30-year term policy. A lot of you are experiencing that your term policy is getting ready to run out. Now, we can convert some of those term policies over to a universal life insurance policy. Do not let your term policy run out, because what we can do, we can roll it over to a whole life, or we can roll it over the term policy into a universal life insurance policy. And if you cannot afford the payment, because you have on the term insurance, you have this larger policy, maybe a $200,000 policy, we can reduce the face amount down to that, so you can afford the policy. But you do have to act. But riding this thing out is not a good solution. Riding it out to the end of the term is not the right answer, because your health could change. Or the rollover period, what we call the conversion period in a term policy, could expire on you. They don't last forever, because there is a period where you can convert that term insurance into whole life or universal life. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. My contact phone number is 702-236-2624. Veronica's standing by right now to take your name and number. We'll call you right after the show. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Again, my location is right on the corner of Saharan Rancho in a beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment. 702-236-2624. Give us a call. Any other questions for my Facebook fans out there?
We got one more on renter's insurance. No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
No, that's it.
Oh, that's it?
Last one.
That was the last one? Okay. Well,
Yeah,
because
that
people
was
getting
a
ready
big
for
piece. Yeah.
Thanksgiving. You know, they're out there buying turkeys and cranberry sauce. My mom used to make her own cranberry sauce. I miss that cranberry sauce too. I get a bowl full of cranberry sauce and dressing and just mix it all together. It looked a mess, but it sure was good. But anyway, I want everyone to have a great Thanksgiving. Just to be safe out there. Don't drink too much and drive, and just to be safe. So you can listen to my talk show next week. All right, I don't want anything to happen to you. Again, we have Sheila Smith She's going to tell all about her location, her business hours, her contact phone number.
Yes, so I am located in downtown Summerlin. We're a mortgage lender we're licensed in a couple different states on the West Coast. The best part about us is that we do everything in-house from the processing, the underwriting, the funding. We do it in-house, so we can truly go ahead and customize the loan for you. A couple of years ago, I had an amazing opportunity from the CFO of Allegiant Air, and he asked me to help him build a mortgage bank that was for the people, and that was totally different than what you are used to. And so what we did was we combined technology as well as amazing customer service, and we're here to serve the people and to see how we can not only make people homeowners so that they can build their wealth, but also with refinances to be able to see how can we save you money so that you can redirect those funds to other areas in your life that you need to. So again, my number is 877-759-7606, 877-759-7606, and I'm located right in downtown Summerlin.
Right downtown Summerlin, but you service the entire community.
Absolutely.
And they can
Absolutely.
and they can do everything by way of phone. Or they have to come in.
By phone, we have an app in the iTunes store, and you can go right online. We contact you same day if you get in if you send in your application online, which takes less than 3 minutes. Same day if it's before 3 p.m. So please give us a call so that we can see how we can go ahead and help you, especially with the holidays coming.
Absolutely, and people are always concerned about the credit scores.
Yes, we do credit as low as 580. And again, everybody's credit is different. And the amazing part about us is that we're not a big institution. We don't have a bunch of layers and guidelines. We truly see how we can go ahead and qualify the customer based upon everything that they've done right.
Mm-hmm.
So please give us a call, and we would be more than happy to either make you a homeowner or to see how we can save you money.
We could take the renters and make them homeowners, and with the price of homes going up as fast as they are, I passed by the stadium, and that's going to generate a lot of jobs,
Absolutely.
a lot of attention to our city, and it's going to bring a lot more people into our city. So it's going to put pressure on, the equity in our houses. What I mean by pressure is because it's going to make it very difficult for people to even qualify for our homes, because the homes now are going up in value, and what was costing a couple years ago $200,000, now you're probably looking over $350,000 for a home these days. So it is really important for you to start planning now.
You're absolutely right.
And don't wait till the first of the year. I get a lot of that this time of the year. Well, the first of the year is coming up, and I'll take care of the first of the year. No, you don't. No, you won't. Do it now, because a lot of people put a lot of things off for tomorrow. Tomorrow is today.
You're absolutely right.
Let's take care of it now. Let's stop renting when start planning now. So you're renting now. You have an opportunity to be a homeowner, and the only thing you have to do is get pre-qualified.
Yeah, you just have to get pre-qualified. And one of the things that I tell people is buy. And the reason why it's so important to do that is because people with the stadium coming and so many different organizations and companies coming to Las Vegas, the last thing I want is for people to move you out of your community just because you're a renter and because it's prime property for them. So do not delay on home ownership. If it's a goal of yours, I would absolutely go and start today.
Start today, because tomorrow is today. My name is Donald Marquez. Thank you so much, Sheila, for joining me today and educating our listening audience. And I like to call my listening audience my future customers. Not only my listeners audience, but my customers too as well. Again, when I want everyone to have a safe holiday season, we got a lot going on, a lot of family members getting together. Please sit down with your family members and talk about the importance of having life insurance. You're together. You're together this year. Next year, maybe some of your family members may not be with you at that table, at that dinner table. And maybe sometimes, they have to, and this happens, families break up because of, final expenses. They have to pay the cost of the funeral, and it costs a lot of money these days, up to $15,000 and up. Don't let that happen to you or your family. Be responsible, and you're not betting against yourself with life insurance. And if you do have a life insurance policy, we give free reviews. We help you with your life insurance policy. We guide you through the process so you can better understand your life insurance policy, regardless of how long you've had it. We have a lot of shows at 88.1. We want you to tune in to Greg DeVille right here at 88.1 on Fridays from 9 a.m. to 9:30. And right after Greg DeVille, well, of course, it's from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. We have Like It Is Radio with Cheryl and Franklin. And they keep you up on the social events right here in our town, Las Vegas, Nevada. I love my city. I really do. I'm from Vegas. I'm born and raised in Las Vegas. I love giving back to my community. And again, my phone number is 702-236-2624. My name is Donald Marquez. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in a beautiful U.S. Bank building. We could be back next week, and we're going to probably bring the Don Father in to introduce himself again. He was on a couple of Fridays ago, and he gave some really helpful information. So we're going to bring the Don Father back. A lot of exciting things getting ready to happen here at Your Insurance Connection. Also, we're going to bring in more guests to help you better understand not only your mortgages, your insurance, and your life insurance. Sheila, again, thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Frank, you have a wonderful holiday. Don't eat too much turkey. All right? Okay. Listen, thank you, our listeners, for tuning in. We're going to do this again next Tuesday right here at 88.1. Until then, just keep it crispy.